Hello folks, so today I'm going to show you how to make sure that your windscreen does not fog. Now every time you turn on the car and you have the air conditioner or the heater running, there is moisture in the vehicle. Every car has it, no matter which brand of vehicle you pick. There will be moisture in the vehicle from you breathing in the vehicle, from all the wet feet that come in when you walk outside. If it's been raining, that moisture can't get out of the car completely. So there's always a level of humidity in the vehicle, and that's why your windscreen and the glass on the inside fogs up. Today's a bright sunny day, so I really can't illustrate the fogging up exactly, but my car no longer fogs up because of something that I've been doing. Your air conditioning settings are right here, and if you turn on the fan, you can turn on the air conditioner from the buttons on the console or just hit auto, and the aircon will come on. As you can see now, it is blowing cool air. I usually set the temperature at 22 or 23, and that's good enough for us. Now right now the air conditioner is running, and with that I've got internal recirculation on. As you can see that over there, that's internal recirculation, where you see the arrow on the inside of the car. So it takes the filters take the air from inside the vehicle, which is located, the intake is located under your glove box, and it recirculates the air within the car by taking the air from there. So you've got the air conditioner running, there's moisture in the air. I'm in the habit of switching off the air conditioner before I switch off the car. So what I would do is I would just press the on-off button on the center console and switch off the air conditioning, and you will see that it remains set to the internal recirculation. Now when you go ahead and turn off the vehicle, what's going to happen is the heat pump system is going to start running, and in a way cleansing or making the internal channels of the air conditioning system dry by pumping out all that air. Now since it's on internal, you've got cold air in those, in the plumbing so to speak, and that cold air will carry moisture with it, which will then basically come into the cabin, and it will go onto the glass because it's already cold outside. So what I do to avoid that happening is I make sure I set the recirculation to outside air. You can see that arrow coming in from the outside. So now what is going to happen, the aircon system does a purge after you switch off the car, which I will switch off now, and you should be able to hear a bit of a whoosh of the aircon system. There, you hear it. Lock the car and there's a whoosh. So this is the system now purging itself, and this probably goes on for about 5 minutes or so. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just fast forward the video here so that you know how long it's exactly gone on for. So while the system is still purging, I'll explain one more reason for why your windscreen fogs up. Dashboards made of different materials, and those materials start to that basically emanate from the surface of the dashboard. For example, where they're going to go, line up on the inside of your windscreen all over. So it's a good practice to, on occasion, take a dry soft cloth and just rub all of those oils and chemicals off from the windscreen. This happens over a period of possibly up to a year in some vehicles. So it's not abnormal. Most cars have this problem when they're new. So just keep that windscreen as clean as you can. Try and use an ammonia or maybe a neutral soap solution to clean, spray it, and then just clean the windscreen, and you'll see that it doesn't fog up as much. Okay, so it has been over 10 minutes As you can see, the clock is 12:41, and yeah, the purging didn't stop, so I don't know how long it's gonna go on for. Just note that the fans are what are blowing air through. There's no air conditioner compression or compressor action happening, so there's no air conditioning being used. It's just the fan system, the blowers, which are purging the system. So yeah, just make sure you turn that on to outside air before you turn off the car, and I think you should be fine with the fogging issue. Thanks for watching and safe driving. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate that. Thanks. Bye-bye.